I just gotten a great answer on cross-examination from a witness that I'm questioning. Can I ask the court reporter to read back that question, that answer, over and over again to highlight to the jury exactly what that answer was? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is no, I can't, and more importantly, I don't want to do that. Now, why is that? So here's the scenario. Let's say I'm at trial, let's say it's a medical malpractice case, and I've got the doctor's medical expert on the witness stand. And now I extract from him a key answer, a great answer for me. Do I want to say, doctor, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Could you say that again? You'll find some attorneys do that as a strategy so that the doctor can repeat his answer so the jury can hear it. Now, in all likelihood, the attorney did in fact hear that answer, but he's simply asking the witness to repeat it so the jury hears it again. Now, what about an instance where the attorney really didn't hear the whole answer? Can he ask the judge or the court reporter to read back the entire answer? The answer is yes, he can. Doesn't mean the judge will allow him to do it. Doesn't mean the court reporter will go ahead based upon what the judge says. However, there are some instances where it's important to get back word for word exactly what the witness said in order to continue asking questions. But the strategy that I described in the headline of this particular video was, can I ask the court reporter to read back the question and the answer multiple times in order to reinforce and to highlight what it was that the witness just said? You know, that's called beating a dead horse. Once you make the point, you'll find that the best trial attorneys move on to the next thing. They don't go after it again and again and again. You want to know why not? Because I've already made the point. The jury gets it. They understand it. And if I were to ask the court reporter 5, 6 times to repeat it, they'd look at me saying, why is he doing that? You will find again that the best trial attorneys are the ones who make their point, and now at the very end of the trial, during closing arguments, that's when they're going to highlight the question. That's when they're going to highlight the doctor's answer and show that this doctor is inconsistent, maybe show that he's a liar, maybe show that what he's saying is absolutely untrue. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases, these accident cases, these civil lawsuits here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.